The lumbar plexus forms part of the larger lumbosacral plexus. This is a network of motor and sensory nerves that innervate the muscles and skin in the lower limbs and the pelvic girdle. It is located on the posterior abdominal wall between the transverse processes of the lumbar vertebrae and the psoas major muscle. This video will focus primarily on the motor nerve of the lumbar plexus. The lumbar plexus rises from the anterior rami of spinal nerves L1 to L4 with a contribution from T12, and it gives 6 main branches. You can use this mnemonic to remember the major branches. Interested in getting lunch on Friday? Iliohypogastric, ilioinguinal, genitofemoral, lateral femoral cutaneous, obturator, femoral. Let's start reviewing the nerves from the different branches. The iliohypogastric and ilioinguinal nerves arise from roots T12 and L1. The anterior rami of L1 and L2 each give rise to a branch, which go on to merge with one another to form the genitofemoral nerve. The spinal rami of spinal nerves L2 to L4 course away from the lumbar vertebrae, and they split into 2 divisions, an anterior division and a posterior division. The anterior division of L2, L3, and L4 merge with one another to form the obturator nerve. The posterior division of L2 and L3 give rise to branches that merge to form the lateral femoral cutaneous nerve. The posterior division of the anterior rami of spinal nerves L2 to L4 merge to form the femoral nerve. In addition, the lumbar plexus gives off several small motor muscular branches from its roots that innervate the psoas major and the quadratus lumborum. The anterior ramus of L4 gives rise to an additional branch, which goes on to merge with the anterior ramus of the L5 spinal nerve to form the lumbosacral trunk and serves as the point of union between the lumbar and sacral plexuses. In summary, unlike the brachial plexus, which undergoes several clear mergers and splits, the lumbar plexus is not as straightforward. The lumbar plexus gives 6 main branches: the iliohypogastric nerve, the ilioinguinal nerve, the genitofemoral nerve, the obturator nerve, the lateral femoral cutaneous nerve, and lastly, the femoral nerve. The lumbar plexus. The lumbar plexus forms part of the larger lumbosacral plexus. This is a network of motor and sensory nerves that innervate the muscles and skin